Terry, what are you doing, man, eating plum tomatoes in the bath? You cannot eat plum...
Help me, please. Somebody help me. I'm falling down the stairs. Johnny! Mom! The fuck?